Welcome everyone, Daniela here, and today I want to show you a layout created with the November kits. I used the main kit and also the Cardstock Kit, the Color Kit and the Embellishment Kit, the Pocket Life Kit, and I focused on the Postage die cuts or cutting dies and the Stencil. Well, that's what I started my page with. I just cut two sets of these beautiful stems from white cardstock, and now I wanted to use the stencil to have different colors here on the stems, and I'm working with Lindy Stamp Gang's powders, which are included in our color kit. And yeah, we have a pretty red and then this label gold, and yeah, these two colors are the main colors I'm working with here, and just apply the golden color first. This is the main color, and I'm just working with a common makeup sponge to apply the color, and I also want to have some green spots, and I've chosen the Lindy's color spray from last month's kit. So the spray is included in the October kit, and yeah, now I want to have some red details here, and you see I didn't want it to become too much, so I just apply some color with the brush, and I also want to have different parts here or different shiny spots, so I also added some golden color again as well. This way we have the glimmery, shiny details here on top of the red color and the green color, and yeah, I also prepared one with gold and red only, and now I just want to add some more shiny details by adding some more gold color, and I also add tiny bits of green here on these as well. Yeah, this is something that is quite easy to do, and you see that you can yeah, color your die cut pieces whatever color you want it to be, and this way you can make them fit for each and every project that you're working on. So I just cut them apart because I want to have single pieces, and yeah, we have nice stems and can work with them later. So as a basis of my layout, I applied some white acrylic paint and also some golden splashes. I'm working with the same golden powder that I also used for creating the stems, and this is my background. So I have chosen the mint cardstock from the Cardstock Kit, and now I want to yeah, fix those shiny stems I've created here on the cardstock, and this is going to be my background. So you see, this is the background, and now I can just start embellishing everything, and I wanted to layer my picture with different cards from the Pocket Life kit and some fuzzy cut pieces from the pretty paper I've shown you before, and now I just add some 3D adhesives so that I have a lot of dimension here on my page. The stems are also adhered with 3D pads, so yeah, this is a nice way to have a lot of dimension on your pages. Now it's time for some chipboard die cuts. I love those. They are so pretty and come in different shapes and beautiful words. So I want to use the word jolly here as a title, and I also use some more fuzzy cut flower pieces, and yeah, then I can flip through all my embellishments to see what else I can add. So you see 3 flowers here, so that I have kind of a triangle that leads the eye. And now I have a chipboard flare button here. We have this sticker set which holds so many different stickers you can choose from. We also have word phrases here, or phrase stickers, and then we have the puffy stickers, which I like a lot. I want to use some of those. I was so happy to see this deer, because there is also a deer here in my picture. It's almost the same shape, so I have to add this one. And some more puffy details. I love these tiny little stars, so I spread them all over the page. And yeah, this way I have a lot of different shiny animals, not animals, sorry, elements. And yeah, now I also want to use the common die cuts from the main kit and see what I can find here in this pack, what might fit, and yeah, just choose 2 or 3 pieces and add them here to my layout. And now I also want to have a title, and we have these pretty glittery alphabet stickers this month in 2 different colors. So it's all about the glitter and shiny pieces, and yeah, the colors of the November kits are just perfect. You see that everything fits together so well. And yeah, then a last thing I want to add is the number 1 from those vellum stickers. Here in Germany we light a candle each Sunday before Christmas until we have 4 candles burning, which is the sign that Christmas is near. And yeah, this is my title, and I love those vellum stickers because yeah, they are another texture and a perfect addition to all the layers, because they are flat and yeah, add a different touch. All right, so just a few more bits and pieces, and then it's time for my journaling. And yeah, this time I just add a few words, and then December 2024, and then that's my finishing touch. I really like the way the layout turned out, and I had so much fun playing with all the different things included in the November kits. You see that there is plenty of stuff you can choose from, and I hope you are having as much fun as I had by using your kits. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.